सीरीज मत बनाओ, पैसे वेस्ट जाएंगे।
tells the sad story.
अमाउंट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स जो लटक जाते हैं। तो उन्होंने जब गाना लिखा कंगन चूड़ी जूते कंगन, this is such a long overdue video. Do you remember the time when everyone told us कि web series मत बनाओ, पैसे वेस्ट जाएंगे? What do you all know how to make a web series? Even though I have been acting in films since a very long time, and वो अलग बात है कि रिलीज नहीं हुई except Factory. So I think making the web series with my mom's money and blessing was a good move. But before we reach there, we will talk about our journey, because I have been getting so many DMs because people have been watching our stories, following our journey, and everyone really wants to know कि ये start कैसे हुआ. 2 years back, we were in Goa, took a break from Bombay.
Yeah, that's a sad part, and you have told the sad story. The reason was that during COVID, I lost my husband.
Okay guys, so mom is composed. So yes, we were in Goa. हमने जब web series जो start करी, उसकी reason was out of sheer
लोनलीनेस। हम इतने खाली हो चुके थे वहां पे, मतलब 1.5 साल में। एक तो बॉम्बे की लाइफ छोड़ के अगर तुम कंटिन्यूअसली वहां रहने लग जाओ तो देयर इज नथिंग टू डू।
No, for people who love the city life, I mean the people who love the calm and the
Yeah.
sea and the whole vibe, उनके लिए तो amazing है, especially because I do not know how to drive.
एंड आई डोंट नो हाउ टू स्विम, सो वाटर वाज ऑफ नो यूज।
It's not like I don't know how to drive. I just don't enjoy driving. तो मैंने बहुत टाइम से करी नहीं है. And for a person who does not know how to drive in Goa, it's a very difficult place to stay, because we all know about the whole taxi mafia thing, and it's true. और मेरे को जैसे घर से अगर मैं 5 मिनट की दूरी में भी जाती थी just to take money out from the ATM, तो the taxi driver 5 मिनट की दूरी में he used to take 1,000 rupees to and.
जब हम गोवा में थे, हम थलासा में गए थे, वहां पे एक टैरो कार्ड रीडर आई हुई थी। सो मैं उस टैरो कार्ड रीडर के पास पहुंच गई और मैंने उसको बताया मैं पिक्चर बनाना चाह रही हूँ और मेरे बच्चे बिल्कुल सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं, आई एम ऑल अलोन, इतना बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट मैं कर पाऊंगी या नहीं कर पाऊंगी। और सो उसने पत्ते वत्ते निकाले एंड शी टोल्ड मी आपको एक जना सपोर्ट करेगा जो बहुत ट्रेवल करता है। अब आई स्टार्टेड कैलकुलेटिंग कि कौन ट्रेवल करता है, तो इट इज ओनली रजत जो ट्रेवल करता है और जो इतना अगेंस्ट है। मैंने रजत को बोला, मैंने कहा रजत मैं टैरो कार्ड रीडर के पास गई थी और उसने बोला है कि जो ट्रेवल करता है, तो ही सेड प्लीज कीप मी अवे, मैं ट्रेवल तुम्हारे लिए नहीं करता हूँ। बट सरप्राइजिंगली व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड माय सन केम टू मी very happily and he said mom I am so happy, I am there for you for everything. मतलब कार्ड भी सही बोल देते हैं।
But Babi, before we reached Mumbai, what had happened was that I used to watch a lot of K-dramas in Goa. It was a no-brainer. 16 episodes, 1 घंटा each, and आपने एक बार कर लिया तो commitment जैसी हो जाती है. So I used to watch a lot of K-dramas. I started enjoying it. And वहाँ पे mom was like, let's make a movie.
क्योंकि मैं तो बचपन से ही मूवी बफ रही हूँ, so I kept telling her I'll make a movie, but किसी ने मेरा विश्वास नहीं करा।
Nobody really supported my mom at that point of time at all. Even I thought वो बस ऐਵੇਂ ही फेंक रही हैं, because oh चलो, because ये mom का हमेशा रहता था कि अरे एल्बम बना लेते हैं, अरे मूवी बना लेते हैं,
Then when people realize कि okay she is serious, तो रोली said कि
then I said कि instead of a movie, let's do a web series, because movie, I mean theater ये वो, and plus I don't know, I just thought let's do a web series, because as I said उस टाइम में K-drama के जमाने में बहुत थी. I was completely into the universe of K-drama. So, and I'm a writer. I wrote my first novel, which came on the top 4 on Amazon's list also. And I love writing love stories. So I told my mom that अगर हम कर ही रहे हैं तो let me write a web series instead. But मेरे को ये समझ नहीं आया कि writing a book and writing a screenplay में जमीन आसमान का difference होता है. So
और उसने पूरे 800 मतलब इतना बड़ा बंडल उसने जो है लिख के तैयार कर दिया। And I used to tell her, Rolly, this is too big. Oh, mom, you don't know how it works. Yeah.
So now we have reached Mumbai और स्टोरी 1 साल लिखी गई, तो वो बॉम्बे आके खत्म हुई. and then the process of auditions and everything started.
उसके बाद आया डायरेक्टर. इतने सारे डायरेक्टर्स वी कॉल्ड, और जो भी डायरेक्टर आता था वो इसका बंडल देख के सबसे पहले घर छोड़ के भागता था.
Now see, I have always been into the acting side of things. This is the first time I was into the production side of it, where we are doing auditions, we are doing writing the screenplay, meeting all the line producers, the directors, and every option that you choose actually is directly on your shoulders. It's your decision. So ऊपर से वो added pressure कि decision correct लेना है या क्या करें, and of course the first time थोड़ा nervousness तो रहता ही है, right? Because you don't know, are you doing the right thing, are you choosing the right people? But one thing I was always very sure of was my characters. So we choose like really new fresh faces, and there was also a reason behind choosing the fresh faces, because my mom has this vision that she wants Moda Production to be a production house for the people.
And I'm so happy that I have given a chance to many new children. I will always keep giving chance to new people, because I have seen how newcomers struggle over here in Mumbai. That's what I told Rolly ke okay, I'll try my best to give a break to all the new people. Anybody who is struggling in Mumbai, I want that my production house door should remain open for them.
And with your support and your love, I'm sure we can even establish that. So
Yes.
this is the motto of our production house, Moda Production, which stands for mother-daughter. So
Actually mother-daughter, it would have been my son also, but initially when we started, तो मेरा बेटा बिल्कुल against था, और रजत said कि मुझे तो just keep me away. So it became mother-daughter. Otherwise, we would have kept it Modas.
added S.
Yes, Modas, mother, daughter and son.
But no project is complete without a team, right? जैसे line producer, director, उन सबको अब ढूंढने लगे. And we got a very good team who handled everything beautifully. और हमारे उससे पहले हमारे 2 महीने workshops चले, because we've taken all newcomers. और मैंने एक चीज सीखी थी, जो अगर आपके script को अगर आपको याद नहीं करना पड़ता, तो on the set you do an amazing job, because आपको lines तो अब सब याद है.
तो नेचुरल निकल के आता है
Yeah, so
अंदर से.
so उसकी वजह से हमने 2 महीने हमारे वर्कशॉप्स चले, फिर हमारे डायरेक्टर आए, and within I think 20 days we were already on.
Yeah, these people, they understood her vision, and they were so fast. They said, okay, next week we are shooting. so this was something, मतलब जो मैं बचपन से कभी सोचा था वो ऐसे फट से पूरा होगा, ये कभी नहीं सोचा था.
But one thing for me was, now I had to leave my role of like, okay, telling all the characters कि ये है. Now I had to get into my own character, because I was also playing the main lead in the series. अब उसमें से पहले निकलना तो थोड़ा difficult हुआ. फिर जब मैं set पे पहुंची, I got into my character, but वहाँ पे भी I was living dual life, where I'm playing the character also, but at the same time I know कि हमें इतने ही घंटे हैं ये सीन खत्म करने के लिए, हमें यही करना है. तो वो भी प्रेशर मेरे दिमाग में पूरा रहता था. फिगरिंग आउट द मनी, मेकिंग श्योर एवरीथिंग इज ऑन टाइम, अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि हम क्या कर रहे हैं. तो आई वाज लिटरली अ लिटिल स्ट्रेस्ड. आई यूज्ड टू रिमेन अ लिटिल स्ट्रेस्ड अबाउट दैट, बट देन फाइनली 1-2 दिन के बाद I became normal, and I was like, no, now forget it. अब जो भी हो रहा है. We have an amazing team to take care of it. I just need to concentrate on my work as an actor now.
And I think under pressure, she has actually performed much better.
We wanted songs for the web series, तो for sure ये तो पता ही था. पर my mom, she is a lyricist as well. She writes. तो मैंने बोला था कि मॉम चलो तुम ही गाना लिख लो. तो उन्होंने जब गाना लिखा, कंगन, चूड़ी, जूते, कंगना, काजल, बिंदिया, and I was like, what kind of lyrics are you writing? She said, बस म्यूजिक तो यही होता है, लिरिक्स तो यही होते हैं, कंगन बिंदिया के बिना कोई लिरिक्स नहीं होते. I said, mom, forget it, I'm going to find someone. But then mom said, okay, fine. You tell me what it is. And then we started talking about it, and then my mom wrote the song which everybody has fallen in love with, which you all will also be hearing next month once it releases. Uske baad, because the song was so good, we actually wrote 3 more. Like my mom wrote 3 more songs in it.
क्योंकि by now I was perfect in writing, because she had told me ये चूड़ी कंगन नहीं चलेगा, मुझे नए जमाने के गाने चाहिए.
The story is very
tried.
young, it's very modern, new kind. It's a romantic fantasy, so it has all that feels.
But somehow आई थिंक मैंने मैनेज कर लिया।
Yeah, the songs have come
बहुत
out
अच्छे से।
really
और
nice.
अब आप लोग जब सुनेंगे बताएंगे,
But I'm so very surprised कि mom ने इतने अच्छे गाने लिखे कैसे? How did you write such good songs?
because I love Bollywood. I'm too filmy. This is my life.
But it is so nice कि you know we could like make something which we can call our own because mom ने सोचे तो काफी time, but you know we never really ended up doing it. So mom, how do you feel knowing that you know you have finally accomplished what you really want to do and you're like living your dream?
Yeah, I'm still so happy, and I was very, very happy that shooting is going to start from next day. क्या हमारा पहला शेड्यूल लोनावला में हुआ था। सारा टीम, हम लोग शायद 70-80 लोग थे शायद, और मे बी मोर। सो सब लोग लोनावला चले गए थे। सुबह को सारा ट्रक निकल गए थे, सामान चला गया था, बस मेरे को और रोली को जाना था। और हमने भी अपने बैग्स पैक कर लिए थे। और पता नहीं क्या भगवान की मर्जी थी कि एक इतनी मेडिकल इमरजेंसी मेरे को हो गई कि मुझे फौरन ही हॉस्पिटल के लिए भागना पड़ा, और मतलब इट वाज वेरी सीवियर। और जब हम वहां पहुंचे तो मेरा पूरा चेकअप हुआ, और उन्होंने बोला कि आप जाइए, और अगर चाहें तो आप शूटिंग पे भी जा सकती हैं। बट आई वॉज एक्चुअली फीलिंग टू वीक टू गो। बट यू नो, एक तो मैं अपना पहला शेड्यूल मिस कर रही हूँ, और दूसरा वो पूरे लोग मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है जो वहां पे गए हैं। इट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग टू टेक केयर ऑफ द यूनिट प्रॉपरली। और मैं यहाँ पे बीमार होके बैठ गई हूँ, तो कैसे चलेगा? बट Rolly,
No,
took
but
over
I know, but
like an expert.
thank you, mom. But actually, we also had a good team with us.
It's a teamwork. We were very lucky to have a very, very good team.
When our cast, even though they all are newcomers, but everybody was so nice. And then we also have my best friend, who you all definitely would be knowing, Naveena Bole.
Yeah,
playing
and that's
one.
another story.
That's another story. But we have Naveena Bole. She just was like, Rolly, whatever you write, auntie.
No, it's not like that, Rose. You know what happened? Naveena had come to visit us in Goa. और उस टाइम मेरे दिमाग में था कि मैं पिक्चर बनाऊंगी, but they didn't believe me. So Naveena was there, and I told Rolly, I'm asking Naveena to act in my movie. She said, no, mom, don't ask, because you are not going to do anything unnecessary. You will ask. But I said, no, I have to ask, because I was very sure in my heart that I will do it. Whether they are with me or not with me, I will complete the show. So I asked Naveena, I said, Naveena, I am making this movie. Will you act in my movie? And so sweet of Naveena, she said, auntie, without me, your movie is not going to be made. I love you, Naveena.
So then when the movie plan dropped, and I told Naveena that, you know, I'm making the web series, and she's like, babe, whatever you write, I don't even need to know. I trust you so much. I am there. And for someone like Naveena to say that meant a lot. So yes, thank you so much, Naveena. And you know, I love you so much.
ये हमें किसी ने नहीं बताया था कि शूटिंग तो 15-20 दिन में खत्म हो जाएगी, मगर एडिटिंग पूरे 3 महीने चलेगी।
More than 3.
But I'm so happy the project is ready, and
you know, that's a very big thing to say. Sorry mom for cutting, but that's a very big thing to say for a new production house to say कि हमारा project actually complete हो गया. Because the amount of projects जो लटक जाते हैं, जो बीच में नहीं complete हो पाते हैं for whatever reasons, I think we are very lucky that our project अच्छे से बना. और
बहुत अच्छा, एटलीस्ट हमें तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. And it's ready to reach you. I hope that everybody in India should watch my web series, and that is my dream.
And only you all can make our dream come true.
प्रोजेक्ट हमने बनाया है, और सक्सेस आप अब दोगे. आप सब हमारी वेब सीरीज को प्लीज देखें. आई एम श्योर most of you will just love it.
Please keep following our journey. Thank you so much for your love and support.
Please join our channel,
please
like
continue
it, subscribe it, and send it to your friends and family. Thank you so much. हमें मिलना पड़ेगा.